Do you have a scanned document that you want to edit but can't? No worries. 2Nor Digital Agency is ready to help you. Today, I will show you how we edit a scanned document with 100% accuracy. First, we import the scanned document into Adobe Photoshop. Here, you can see that the document is a scanned document. First, we use the Type tool to type the text in the document exactly the same and match the font. Then, we match the font size, color, and spacing so that the new text matches the previous text. Then, we hide the new text layer and erase the old text in the background below. To do this, we use the Patch tool, Healing Brush tool, and Clone Mask tool. Then we show the new layer and make whatever changes we need to make here. Then we make the new text layer a smart object, and to match it with the other text in the document, we apply the necessary noise, blur, outer glow, shadow, etc. effects so that the new text matches the document, and it is not obvious that it has been edited. We try to give it a completely original look. This is how we edit a scanned document. We work with 100% accuracy so that your document looks professional. We give 100% quality guarantee, no matter what format your document is in, be it PDF, PNG, JPG, or any other format. We edit it professionally with 100% accuracy. We deliver within 30 minutes to 2 or 3 hours, depending on the scope of the document. We also protect 100% confidentiality of your document. We believe that protecting the confidentiality of any document is very important, be it personal, professional, or business document. We provide document editing services at very reasonable prices. We charge up to $10, $20, and $30 for simple, hard, and complex documents, respectively. So why delay? Contact us now for any type of editing of your required document. 2Nor Digital Agency. We do what AI can't.